Hi everyone, today I will be explaining a simple C program that demonstrates how to create an interactive menu system. This program is designed to showcase basic programming concepts like input-output, conditional statements, and loops, all while providing a clear and user-friendly interface. Let's go to step by step to understand what this program does and how it works. This program has uh, seven, yeah, seven options: basic input, output, conditional statement, for loop demo, while loop demo, do while loop demo, about and exit. The user navigates through the menu using the arrow keys on the keyboard and select an option by pressing the enter key. Each menu option performs a specific task, such as demonstrating input-output or a loop example. The program runs in a loop, showing the menu again after each selection, unless the user chooses to exit. The program highlights the current menu option using an arrow represented by this sign. You can move the arrow up or down using the arrow up and arrow down keys. For example, if the arrow points to basic input output, you can press enter to select it. If you want to move the next option, like conditional statement, you simply press the down arrow key. This navigation is handled by a variable called ito, current option, which keeps track of the currently highlighted menu option. Now, the program uses getch, open and close parentheses to read key presses. If you this. If you press the arrow up key, the highlighted option moves up. If you press the arrow down key, it moves down. If you press the enter key, the selected option is executed. The special keys, like the arrow keys, are identified using two gadgets. Calls to handle their unique codes. This switch case menu for menu option. The program uses a switch statement to decide what happens when a menu option is selected. For example, if the user select basic input output, it calls the basic input output function. If they select conditional statement, it calls the conditional statement open and close parentheses function. This modular this modular approach makes the program organized and easy to understand. Let's go to the basic input output. This option demonstrates how to collect user input and display it. It asks the user their here. It asks the user for their name and age. Then display a message. For example, the username is Alice and her name is 25. I mean her age is 25 years old. Then the output should be hello Alice, you are 25 years old. In the conditional statement, the program asks the user to enter number here, enter number, printf enter number, and checks whenever it's even or odd. If the number is equal to 0 when it divides by 2, it should be printed as even number, or else if not, it should be printed as %d is odd number. In for loop demo, this option demonstrates a for loop. It prints number from 1 to 5. For example, here, printf counting from 1 to 5. For int I is equal to 1, if I less than or equal to 5, then add iteration I plus plus, then print. In while loop, the option demonstrate a while loop, which also print number to 1 to 5. The key difference is the loop continues running as long as condition is true. In do while loop, similar to while loop, it prints number from 1 to 5 here. However, in a do while loop, the code block execute at least once, even if the condition is initially false. Function for about. This option simply displays information about the program. It explains that the program is a demonstration of basic C programming concept like input-output, conditions, and loops. Then finally, in the print, in the exit, finally, if the user select exit, the program ends, displaying a goodbye message. Here, exiting program, goodbye. Now, let's talk about how the program works behind the scene. The menu is displayed in a while loop, so it keeps running until the user select exit. The current option variable keeps track the highlighted menu option. It updates based on the arrow keys pressed. In here, the system or CLS, the program clears the screen using this. Each time, the menu updates, so the user always see a fresh menu. When the user select an option, the program executes the corresponding function using a switch statement. Here, the switch statement. After the function finishes, the program waits for the user to press any key before returning to the menu. This program is a great way to learn and demonstrate how to create an interactive menu system. The use of loops like for, while, and do while, using conditional statements like if else or decision making. Handling keyboard input with get here. Key equals get, open and close parentheses. Writing modular and organized code by separating logic into functions. These concepts are essential building blocks for learning C programming and developing more complex applications. In conclusion, this program is a simple but powerful demonstration of fundamental C programming concepts. It teaches us how to interact with users, make decisions, and organize code efficiently. Thank you for watching my explanation, and I hope this program inspires you to explore more about programming.